Hey everyone, this is Lacey with Living with Lacey. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me here for another video. Well, as you can see, it is not a planner product. It is a product from RainPoint. This is a 2-zone Wi-Fi water timer. I am going to try out something new. And so I am ready just to get into this. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box. Sorry for the shaking. All right, so here we go. So we have in the box, we have a quick start guide. This is the hub. Okay, this is actually the timer. And then you have a two-way system, which is great. Put everything over to the side. There's an app installation, so I went ahead and downloaded the app as well. This is what the sensor looks like. Okay, y'all, so I have followed the instructions. I kind of put the manual down and went with the quick start. So if you are to get this system, I would say start with this quick start guide. This was so much easier just to set it up like this. And the last thing that I did was to pair these two together. It's time to go outside. All right, y'all, so welcome back to my garden. As you can see, the hydrangeas are looking a little limp today. I don't think we're at 100 today. I think we're, they call it a cold front came in, that we're around 90, 95 today, 95 or 96 today. Oh, look at our little friend visiting. So we're just gonna lay out and chill out. So everyone is sick of the heat, everyone. Okay, so let me walk you through here. Everything else seems to be okay. And if you missed the video that we shared on our channel, go check it out. It's before all the heat came. Other than that, everything's doing fine. So we have 2 zones that we're looking at using this system for. This will be the first zone, which will be our front yard. And I'm actually just gonna have this water hose. My husband likes to use this on a little sprinkler system, and so this is going to be zone 1, and then zone 2 is going to be our side garden, and this is going to be zone 2, which is our side garden. All right, so what we're going to do is come over here. I'm going to remove all of the items that we have over here. So now I'm going to take our timer and hook it up to here. Went ahead and added some of this to the spigot so that it can be a tight fit. All right, so as you can see, I have it connected. I'm gonna turn this water on just so we can see there. Cut this out right now, and then I'm gonna hook everything back up. What I've done so far is I hooked up the water hose, and then so the water hose is on over here, right? And this side was coming out, so if you press this button, then that water comes out, right? You can make it stop pressing it, and then you can press this button and turns off the water hose. That's great. That's just manually. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hook up my drip system. All right, so I'm gonna press the drip system. Okay, let's go around here and see if it's actually working. So there we go, the water's coming out. Yes, don't pay attention to some dead plants, but the water is coming out. Okay, so we know that part. Go ahead and press the sprinkler system. Did y'all see it? Came right on. I'm gonna go ahead and press it off so I won't get wet. And then it turned off. Okay, so we know manually everything is working right here. Everything is working manually. All right, so what we're gonna do now is go back in, because it's burning up out here. We're going to go back in, and I'm going to set a plan for everything to come on in about 10 minutes. All right, guys, so the next thing that I'm gonna work on doing is actually setting up a plan. So we're gonna click on plan, click on the plus sign, set a watering mode. I'm gonna set it for, let's see, what time is it right now? It's 4:12. I'm gonna set it for 4:20 p.m. That's in a few minutes. Let me do 4:25 p.m. because we want to be able to go out there and see. Okay, stop watering by duration. I'm gonna leave it watering for 20 minutes. Repeat every day. Okay, y'all, it's really too hot just to sit out here and wait, but we are waiting. We're ready. This is really exciting to sit here and watch this. I think we have about 3 more minutes left to see what this is going to do, and we'll check both zones. But I have the 2 zones working. One zone is coming on at 4:20, another one at 4:30. Can I tell y'all that I'm getting so excited? This is so exciting, especially to be able to have this on my phone and it can work wherever I am. This is so important, y'all. So if you're traveling or if you're at work and you need to be able to take care of these plants that we put so much money and time into, our garden, this would just be amazing, just be great. All right, y'all, so it's 4:19. We have a little moment where this is supposed to come on, about 1 minute. Look at that! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I was so excited. Wow. Y'all, it came on. It's set. It came on. Wow. Okay, maybe this is not wow for everybody, but us Texas gardeners, I'm telling you right now, you need this system. This is a wow. Yes. Oh my God, RainPoint, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is my plants, thank you. We all thank you. Awesome. So we got about 10 minutes to wait for zone 2 to come on. Well, I'll go ahead and let zone 1 get watered. Right now, while everything's watering, this is what the hub is actually showing. And then y'all, I came over here. Remember, we had it set for the drip irrigation system to come on, and it is on and working. So the timer is working perfectly in both zones. Well, everyone, I thank you so much for joining me here for another video. I am so excited about this system. If you are interested in this system or if you have any questions, please make sure that you place them below in the comment section, and I'll have all the information of how you can receive the system as well in the description box. Thank you again for joining me, and have a great week.